Ever wondered what makes AI assistants so smart and efficient? In this video, we will dive into the secret sauce behind their intelligence: the knowledge base. A knowledge base is the backbone of your AI assistant, a comprehensive repository of information that it can access to provide accurate and instant responses. Think of it as the AI assistant's brain. The richer and more organized it is, the smarter and more helpful your AI assistant becomes. I will walk you through the key steps: identifying your data sources, structuring the information, and continuously updating it to keep your AI assistant on top of its game. Whether you're a small business owner or building an AI assistant for your key client, the knowledge base is the most important part of it. Steps covered in this video: identifying your data sources, structuring the information, continuously updating the knowledge base, leveraging user feedback, testing and optimization. Hi, my name is Saeed, the founder of Uniqly AI. We help businesses with AI automation and AI custom solution. Our current focus is on developing AI solutions that optimize workflow, eliminate repetitive tasks, lower cost, and increase profit. If you are looking to implement fully customized AI solution for your business, feel free to schedule a call using the link in the description below, and we can discuss how AI can be seamlessly integrated into your business. Now that we know how important a knowledge base is, let's dive into the step-by-step process to make it smarter and more effective. So, step 1, identifying your data sources. First thing first, identify where your information is coming from. Your knowledge base needs to be pulled from reliable sources. Think of FAQs, product manuals, customer service scripts, and internal documents. Gather all the relevant content that your AI assistant might need to answer your customer queries. So here is an example of your data sources in VoiceFlow. So if you're using VoiceFlow, you know it, just simply go to your designer, and on the left you see knowledge, and here on the top right you can see add data source. Simply you can use plain text, or you can upload a file, a document with all the information you want, or paste URLs from any website, or you can also put your URL sitemap, which means it will gather all the info from all the pages on that website. And you can also integrate like for external platforms such as Zendesk or any similar. Here is an example I have uploaded source. As you can see, this is just a sample, so it's not basically formatted properly, but as you can see, it's pulled from the URL from my website, and all the information there, like the availability, what are the services, working hour, what are we providing, the calendar link, all the information from that, and that's it. This is just an example for you. Step 2. Structuring the information. We have to structure the information logically. A well-organized knowledge base ensures your AI assistant can retrieve information very quickly. So categorize your data into like topics and subtopics. You can also use tags and keywords to make searching easier for your AI assistant. Imagine like you are building a library. Everything should have like its own place. So there are several ways and solutions to structure the knowledge base by optimizing and lowering chunks in the knowledge base itself, which means you can properly structure the knowledge base to lower the amount of non-relevant words in it. One way to do it is manually. The second option is to prompt ChatGPT to do it for you. And the third option is to use Vectorshift.AI. It allows us to completely tailor our knowledge base, including storing and retrieving information. This system is much sophisticated than other knowledge bases, including Voiceflow knowledge base and Vapid knowledge base. We can use Vectorshift to enhance our responses in several ways. One way is just by adjusting the chunk size and chunk overlap, which refers to the size of each information segment. So here is a template that I have made just to show you guys. So for example, this is a travel assistant, and always put a first message. For example, hi, this is Sarah from Travely. How may I assist you today? And then this is the system prompt for the AI. And I just come up with an idea like you are a customer support assistant for your company name. Your job is to assist customer with their inquiries about our product and services. And then greet customer politely and ask how you can assist them. Identify the issue by asking clarifying the questions. Provide accurate and concise information or solution based on the customer's inquiry, if the issue is beyond, and so on. And then I give some examples, like if a customer asks about the status of their order or retrieve the order information from the database, and like if a customer reports a problem with the product, and so on. And then I give some contracts, like do not provide medical, legal, or financial advice, do not share personal information, always comply with the data protection regulation, and so on. And then this is the knowledge base, like how to formulate the knowledge base. So like categories, we have like destination, accommodation, transportation, food and drink, attraction and activities. You can also structure your knowledge base with hashtags and asterisks. So for example, here you can see I put a hashtag. This is for like headings. So one hashtag is heading 1, 2 hashtags is heading 2, and so on. For example, hashtag destination Paris, France, and then overview, weather, getting there, the transportation. And then I write like overview, Paris is the capital city of France, known for its iconic, blah, blah, blah. The weather has temperature oceanic, getting there, like Paris is served by which airport, the transportation, like city bus or metro or something else. And then again, another next heading, the accommodation, like which hotel, and then again, the next heading, transportation, and so on. So, and this is the format I use. And then as you can see here, this is the heading 2 because I put 2 hashtags, and you can also use asterisks as well, as you can see here and here. So these are like a sub headings or like a sub segmentation, if you may. And then yeah, put more information there. And this is a template I made. Yeah. And just before we move on, if you learned anything new or got any value out of this video so far, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, because this helps me to create even more content like this for you guys. So if you are using Perplexity to structure your knowledge base, you have to understand how to properly prompt engineer it. So for example, the hashtag symbol is used to indicate a command or instruction to Perplexity. When you start a message with hashtag, Perplexity will interpret it as a command that you want it to execute rather than a regular conversation. So like one of the example of how the hashtag symbol is used with Perplexity, like for example, hashtag summarize. This command tells Perplexity is to summarize the previous message or conversation. Or another one is like hashtag explain. This tells Perplexity to provide an explanation for the previous message or any topics. So if you put asterisk symbol, that means is used to indicate that you want Perplexity to perform a specific action or tasks. Like when you indicate an asterisk at the beginning of a message, Perplexity will interpret it as a request to do something rather than a regular statement. Like for example, you put the asterisk symbol and write generate a poem about nature, or asterisk, you put asterisk symbol and write create a to-do list for this week or something. By the way, I can share this template with you, so if you want it, simply let me know by commenting below knowledge base and I can send it to you for free. If you are using ChatGPT to structure your knowledge base, for the prompting you can use hashtag, which is used to create headings, as I mentioned before. Like for example, hashtag 1 is heading 1. If you put 2 hashtags is heading 2, 3 hashtags is heading 3, and so on. And if you want to use asterisks, is like for example, you can also use for bullet points in the list, like hashtag your text, which would be like item 1, bullet point 1, and then again put hashtag and then bullet point 2, and so on. You can also use asterisks before and after the text. So for example, if you are putting asterisks and then your text and then again asterisks, this makes the prompting for ChatGPT to understand that you want italic text. And if you want to put like 2 asterisks before and then you put your text, and then after again 2 asterisks, this means you want to be the text to be bold. And again, if you want this structured template for knowledge base, just simply let me know in the comment section, write knowledge base, and I can send it to you for free. Step 3, continuously updating the knowledge base. Smart knowledge base is a dynamic one, so which means regularly updating it with any new information. Monitor the question your AI assistant cannot answer and add those solution to the knowledge base itself. So this continuous learning loop is very crucial for maintaining the AI assistant effectiveness. So if you are using VoiceFlow, on the left side you can find transcript, and then here you can actually see all the conversation between your AI assistant and the user. So this is the one of the way you can find out those answers that your AI couldn't answer properly or didn't understand or anything. So you can put this in your knowledge base. Or if you are using VAPI, on the left side you can see call logs, and then here are all the conversation between your AI assistant and the user as well. So you can see everything the same. You can find out those information that your AI doesn't have or they couldn't answer, and then again you put those information in your knowledge base and update it. Step 4, leveraging user feedback. You have to refine your knowledge base. So encouraging customers to rate responses they receive and provide feedback, or use this data to identify gaps and make improvements. Your users are your best resource for making your AI assistant smarter and better. Step 5, testing and optimization. Finally, continuously test and optimize your knowledge base. Conduct regular audits to ensure the information is accurate and up to date. You can also try A/B testing to find out most effective responses. Optimization is an ongoing process that keeps your AI assistant at peak performance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a smarter and more efficient knowledge base that will turn your assistant into an indispensable tool for your business. If you are someone who wants to learn how to create AI custom solutions and AI automation for your business, or maybe for yourself, and sell it, I highly recommend watching the video next, where I break down even more in depth the top 5 AI phone callers platform you can build with. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.